I'm Paul Bennett at Downeast Creations. Today I'm going to make this frame for my little mini micro masterpiece, a little acrylic painting I did on canvas. And instead of putting it behind glass, I wanted the canvas exposed, and it's just a border frame, little gap in between. I'll show you how I did it. Here's my little mini masterpiece. I call it tree. This is 2 inches by 3 inches. I used acrylic on a small canvas, and now I have to make a frame for it. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button and like the video, share it if you will. Leave a comment for me. Let me know what you'd like to see. Thank you very much.